Yes, dear friend, here question. Mass M1 is position at position 6I cap minus 7J cap. Mass M2 equal 2 kg is at position R2 2I cap plus 5J cap minus 8K cap. To find position vector, find position vector of the find the position vector of central mass. Simple. So this is simple question, just for practice, nothing important, but important to understand. We know solution R equal to M1 R1 plus M2 R2 upon M1 plus M2. So it is equal to M1 6 kg, R1 6I cap minus 7J cap plus M2 2 kg, R2 2I cap plus 5J cap minus 8K cap upon 6 plus 2. So it is 36 I cap minus 42 J cap plus 4 I cap plus 10 J cap or minus 16 K cap upon 8. 36 I cap plus 4 I cap gives you 40 I cap. 40 I cap minus 42 plus 10 32 J cap or minus 16 K cap upon 8. So what is this? Ultimately answer will be how much? Vector R is equal to 5 I cap minus 4 J cap or minus 2 K cap. This is position vector of central mass and hence coordinate of central mass 5 minus 4 and minus 2 यूनिट्स जो भी होगा कोफिशिएंट भाई आई यू नो very well if x y z are the coordinates of position then position vector becomes x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. So this is an idea of solving the problem because I am telling the question to you because I have felt that when we ask numerical, students think that very difficult things are asked and they are not even able to put the correct value of data in the formula given. Now there is another question. Two masses of ten kg and 2 kg. Mass M1 equal to 10 kg and M2 equal to 2 kg. Have velocity vectors V1 vector velocity as 2I cap minus 7J cap plus 3K cap. 2I cap minus 7J cap plus 3K cap तो velocity V1 है भाई 2I cap minus 7J cap plus 3K cap and V2 velocity V2 यानी कि इसका that is minus 10I cap minus 10I cap plus 35J cap और minus 3K cap 3k cap in meter per second. This is kg in meter per second. कहते हैं find the velocity of center of mass. Find the velocity of center of mass. And so I told you VCM is equal to, I hope you remember, M1 V1 plus M2 V2 upon M1 plus M2. M1 is 10, V1 2I cap minus 7J cap plus 3K cap plus M2 2 into minus 10I cap plus 35J cap minus 3K cap upon M1 plus F10 plus 2. So it becomes how much? Now this VCM become equal to vector VCM 20I cap minus 70J cap plus 30K cap minus 20I cap plus 70J cap and minus 6K cap upon 12 plus 20I cap minus 20I cap cancel, 70J cap negative या positive cancel. Thing left here 36, 30 minus 6, 24 K cap upon 12. It means VCM here come out to be 2K cap meter per second. I hope you have enjoyed this question. Please repeat questions and try to find out solution of so many questions from different books. Don't avoid the numericals. Numericals are there only to get sure whether we have got the problem or not. Concept clear, get clear only when we are able to solve the problems. Now there is another question here. A good question, and many people ask like this question. What is the question? Here is a disc whose radius is R. Here this is the disc whose radius capital R. I mean, capital R is the radius. I write. Now from this disc, another disc of radius R by 2 is cut from one side. This part taken out. So where will lie the center of mass? So we assume here let center of mass of the given disc lies at origin. So center of mass of cut part will be at R by 2 by 0. I hope I don't need to write the question here. Simply this is a disc of radius capital R. A disc of R by 2 is cut from this given disc. So where the center mass will lie. So if we assume that center mass lies at origin, then center mass of cut part will be at R by 2 by 0. Now to find center mass you need mass. Let mass of given disc, mass of given disc, mass of given disc equal to capital M. So mass of disk taken out equal to actually m upon pi r square will be the mass per unit area of this disk. टोटल मास m है, एरिया रेडियस r है, तो उसका रेडियस होगा पाई r स्क्वायर एंड मास पर यूनिट एरिया, एंड दिस एरिया इज हाउ मच 4 pi r by 2 square means pi r square by 4, so it comes out to be 4 m by 4. Now x equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 upon m1 plus m2. m1 is m but x1 0 minus m by 4. The mass which we have cut out, which has been taken out negative, into x2 r by 2 upon m minus m by 4. So it left here m r upon 8 minus upon 3 m by 4. So this x come out to be 4 upon 4r upon कितना भाई 24 means r by 6. तो minus r by 6, sorry, minus r by 6 means it will shift toward this direction at distance r by 6. Suppose radius is initial radius 6 centimeter, so center mass will shift by 1 centimeter. So this is one question here. In my opinion, I like this question very much to get the concept clear. Now, in competitive exam, I have seen many things you will learn further, and these questions will be mixed with them. Here, if mass is m1 and m2 are at distance a from each other. These two masses m1 and m2 are at distance a. So you are asked find the distance of central mass from m1 and m2 both. Find the distance. We will need there it while solving some problem relating moment of inertia, torque, etc. Distance of Cm from m1 and m2 both. So let central mass be here at distance x. So coordinate here 0 0. Let m1 is at origin, so m2 will be at a by 0. Let this coordinates ना, तो ये x0 अगर ये distance, if central mass lies at Cm here at distance x, then x equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2. Concept the same. Don't deviate from the concept. Generally, why we don't get questions solved, because we start thinking other way than the theory of the question. तो m1 तो m है, m1 लेकिन x0 plus m2 into a upon m1 plus m2. So that way x is equal to m2 upon m1 plus m2 into a. If you want to find from this x dash, तो this x dash simple है, तो subtract x from a or change that it coordinate be 0 0, it will be 0 0, so then that x dash will be m1a upon m1 plus m2. So this is simple question there. Actually, why I am telling, This question was mixed with some other question. You find the rotation का energy about center mass. तो पहले सेंटर मास कहाँ होगा? और क्योंकि बात सिंपल है तो इसलिए मैं आपको भी आई एम टेलिंग ऑल ऑफ यू whosoever is reading this video or looking this video, please, this chapter is very little difficult, and because you need so many things to solve a question. So what I am telling, keep the sequence and study sequentially. Don't take randomly, let me study this chapter, this video first and I will see later. What is my first disc, then second, then third. This video है first, you maintain the number and read accordingly. Thank you.